Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential tools, Node and Angular CLI plus VS Code extensions. Open the project, then run ngserve on port 4200 so the app is live. Once done, create a vscode/launch JSON using a Chrome attach or launch entry and ensure source map is enabled. This maps compiled JS back to your TypeScript. Make sure your tsconfig. JSON has source map true. Otherwise, breakpoints will not bind. Now set an initial breakpoint in a component to verify binding. You now place breakpoints in TypeScript where logic runs. Use conditional breakpoints when you need a specific state. Right-click a breakpoint to add a condition. Start the VS Code debugger with the Chrome attach and trigger the code path. Use step over, step into, and step out to inspect execution flow. Consult the call stack to jump frames. Add variables to watch and evaluate expressions in the debug console. When calling APIs, run backend together using a compound launch, so front and back step through coherently. You wrap up by inspecting values and ensuring behavior matches expectations. Make small changes and rely on hot reload for fast iteration. If breakpoints do not hit, clear the browser cache, rebuild with ngbuild source map, and restart ngserve. Make sure tsconfig. JSON paths and source map are correct. If Chrome target detaches, relaunch the debugger and repeat the test scenario. And if things still fail, reduce to a minimal reproduction. That isolates the bug and speeds discovery. Then toggle breakpoints and continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.